Lesson 1, page 16. Let's try to brighten the image. First, let's switch from the Zoom tool to the Move tool, which is a good default tool. Hit the V on the keyboard. Go to the Layers panel, one of the most important parts of Photoshop. Notice that the Rose layer is selected. Up above in the Adjustments panel, choose the Brightness Contrast adjustment. We're going for 98 brightness and 18 contrast. You could drag the sliders. Instead, let's type. Brightness 98, hit the Tab key which moves us down to contrast, and type 18. Back in the Layers panel, click the eye icon next to the Brightness Contrast Adjustment layer, which hides the visibility of the adjustment. This gives us a before and after view. Adjustment layers are important because they allow non-destructive editing. Any change I make to the image is not permanent. I can go back and change or remove the adjustment even after I have saved and closed the image. So let's save. File, Save As. We'll call it 01 Working. Photoshop will automatically add the .psd. Hit Enter to maximize compatibility with previous versions of Photoshop.